Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin inside the Teams app with an active meeting or the device panel open. You need the desktop client signed in. Once you're there, open Meeting Controls and click the three dots. That brings up Apply Background Effects. Select it now to see built-in backgrounds and the Add New button. Make sure your camera is on so the preview updates. This step links your device camera feed to the background selector so you can confirm the effect before applying. Now pick how you want your background to appear. Click Add New to upload a JPG or PNG. Use 1920 by 1080 for correct aspect ratio and minimal distortion. Once uploaded, select the image or one of the default options and watch the preview update. This shows how the background interacts with your lighting and movement. If it looks right, press Preview first to confirm, then apply to set it for the current meeting. Teams will remember the image for later use. Finish by confirming your camera feed displays the chosen background naturally. Once done, close the panel and continue your meeting. If the background options are missing, make sure you're on the latest Teams desktop app and not the limited web version, then sign out and back in. If the effect shows glitches, improve frontal lighting, use a plain physical backdrop, or choose blur instead. These adjustments reduce edge artifacts and help Teams separate you from the background reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.